Today is Decorate My Space. I am giving my outdoor dining area a refresh. Come along with me. Today is Decorate My Space. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts are Buckeye Girls, Decor and Lifestyle, Sassoon Glam Style, Annalise Cupboard, myself, Design with Emma, Mabel's Table, and Pretty DIY. I have did some refresh on my outdoor dining area. So that's the area I'm going to be showing you today. And let's look at my first refresh here. This is a purchase from Goodwill. It's actually goes in a garage. It's a garage cart. I paid $19 for it, and I decided to make it a buffet for my outdoor area. And as you can see here, I have placed my bowls and my plates, and it's enough room for me to put more items if necessary. Under the bottom here, I also have items placed that I use outdoors. So this is really come in handy. Up here, I have the lantern fireplace, and I have put two flowers on each side, which were candle holders, and I just turned them upside down and put flowers in it. Over here is the box that I always have that I put my outdoor decor in. I just decorated it with a couple of lanterns. So let's go around and I'll tell you about the refresh out here. Well, I decided to go ahead and add some yellow to that black and white to give it a punch. And as you can see, that's what it's done. And I have put together a tablescape for you. I have used two large candle holders, the black charger plates, and I'm thinking they were yellow, but they really look orange. The salad plate, and I have put yellow flowers on each one with a fork and a napkin. I have used the white flowers to surround the pole here in the center, and the placemats, studio, and I did purchase those from Goodwill. The pillows that I'm using were from Temu. And also a new change that I have, I went in and changed the look here. And what I've done, I've put the tall candle holder. So it used to be, if you remember, the flowers and leaves, a big old leaf looking decor item. It was also black, but I decided I had that one forever. So I decided to go ahead and switch it up. So as you can see, I do have a refresh out here. I've come in with a lot of yellow, and you all know my main colors out here was black and white. But I decided to just go ahead and give it a little bit of a pop. And that's what this yellow has done for me. And as I said, these salad plates, when I bought them, I purchased those at Goodwill. I thought they were yellow. They look yellow in the store, but now that I put them out, they do look orange. But I still like the way they look, so we're going to keep them out here. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and more for inviting me to be a part of Decorate My Space. I will be leaving her information and all of the creators who are participating today in Decorate My Space. Her host is Candy, Tablescapes by Candy. Her name will also be listed in that description box below. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Decorate My Space. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't you forget to ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.